Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to control your games on RAZER Edge V2 Pro. So, open a random game that I found and I'll show you how it looks like. So, we'll wait for it to okay. So, when I click A, as you can see, I'm going up. And I should be able to control something here, but in this game, you don't even move. But as you can see, it works perfectly fine. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.